Away we go.
Away we go. So all I meant to do was stop before an auction and pick up a marketplace, Facebook marketplace. Find. I don't usually. I'm always like a day late, dollar short kind of thing on the Facebook marketplace. But I saw this post. Chris was home this week. I didn't have a car, so I'm glad Chris was home this week on vacation. And we're filming this anyway, and there were 2 sheep. And you all know that I love sheep. So many of you out there are my tribe, have my vibe of loving sheep. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to get these sheep. And I'm like, Chris, can we go before the auction? Well, I show up and I'm like, I'm looking at her landscape and I'm looking at all her yard decor. And I'm like, oh my gosh.
Looking through the window.
Well, yeah. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is my vibe. Everything about this is my vibe. All her cute animals, her puppies, her kitties. And oh my goodness, y'all. I really want, okay, now I have become a stalker and I haven't even met her yet. So I get to the door and she brings out the sheep and she mentions that, hey, keep an eye on Facebook. I'm changing out my decor. I have a lot of the decor. I will be listing more things in Marketplace. And I'm like, well, I'm here. I have some money. So I get to go in and I'm like, oh my gosh, she is a prim lover. Oh, made my heart so happy. So she had many things that you could pick from because she is changing. She used to be a reseller actually locally. So that was wonderful that she used to have a booth. Got a little history on her and her daughter. Very sweet. Oh my gosh. So such a sweet person. When you get to run across somebody that has the same vibe as you, has the same passion, it's hard to leave. And then all of a sudden I realized, oh, Chris probably thinks I've been kidnapped and murdered because I've gone in the house now. I have not.
Well, you weren't even thinking that. You were thinking, I can't reach this thing.
Oh, yeah.
Taller.
Yeah.
She had totally forgot about me. This place was, it was incredible. I mean, it was like going into a fine,
I did go get him.
Antique store.
It was, yes, a high-end, old, antique, primitive love store. And I think I just made a new friend.
Yeah, these are the places that when I'm looking on auctions that I dream for her, especially to find a place like this because, you know, it's all everything that she likes and wants.
Yes, yeah, like I said,
and the stuff that she's going to show you is probably not going to be for sale because she's going to want to keep it. So she'll probably show you the things she's pulling out of the house to sell.
Yeah, I can't tell you all right now. Right now, I'm just enjoying. Don't y'all do that? I'm just enjoying it. I'm enjoying it, so I can't tell you. So let me show you the sheep that I went to get. Which I always forget what David's last name is, but yes. Is it on the bottom? I don't know.
No,
they are. I was going to say they're signed. Yeah, they're. And I've bought and resold these pieces, but I don't know. It's one of those things you're like, oh, man, I wanted to keep that, but So, but to have look at a big and a small. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, my heart was just so happy. And so the piece that she showed me, she's like, hey, if you're a sheep lover, let me show you this, which is this one. You got to be careful because the legs are not necessarily attached into the little cart. It was very up on a shelf, very high. And yeah.
I think that's real wool.
It might be. I don't know. Yeah, she said she'd already sold, she had wool and somebody had already bought that. So, yeah, a little sheep and then a couple more sheep because you can't have enough sheep. Can you have enough sheep?
Now that is real wool on this one.
Yeah. I don't know. I can't judge. All I know is we used to have to shear sheep with my daughter.
Well, that's
what
I'm feeling right there.
I'm like, I know that they never enjoyed it. The sheep never enjoyed it, and the people doing it never enjoyed it. Just because you're a hairdresser does not mean shearing sheep should be in your job title or clipping a cow.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. So those were started the whole, and then I noticed all the wood because I love old wood. Crocs. Chris loves Crocs. I love Crocs too. Don't get me wrong.
Well, she kept on going. Yvonne would say, ooh, I really like this or that. And she goes, for sale. It's for sale. It's for sale. Everything's for sale.
I still am this is the next day. And I'm like, I was dreaming. I had dreams, good dreams, good dreams. I can tell you that. So, yeah. So if Chris wants to take the camera down, we'll show you the rest. And who would have thought a Facebook Marketplace pickup
would turn into a nice haul?
Would turn into an amazing haul. Okay, so Prim, she had beautiful Prim cupboards. Love these for little creamers, butter pats. You know, it's always fun to make 2 shelves by flipping that drawer over. Does not, y'all, it's not supposed to be perfect. It's that perfectly imperfect of antiques, old stuff. Like she said, she's like, I don't know where my knob went. That doesn't bother me. I could put a knob on there if I wanted, but it tells a story. This little bucket tells a story. And this little thing, I'm like, oh my gosh, that is the cutest little Prim cupboard. And it has a little mirror in it.
Vanity mirror?
Little vanity mirror. And look at the little like,
sheep.
Yeah, and then she was also a putz lover like me. So 3 little putz sheep. Because we couldn't have enough sheep. I think, yeah, at one time they were ornaments, but I'm with her. I like them sitting. And then, of course, you know, I've seen like the larger size of this, but I have not seen the butter press. Look at the nails, y'all. The dovetail?
It's
what is that called, Chris?
Yeah.
What? Come on, you're my wood guy.
We'll get back with that.
It's early morning before we're going to another auction, y'all.
Yeah.
And then I love that she still had, you know, this one. Same thing, cookie mold, butter pressed. It's broken. I love pieces and parts. I actually have a little collection started. And then she had a whole bunch of these, but I had just picked a whole bunch. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to go.
What's on them?
This one is a star. And then this one is flower. Like a lily, maybe? I'm not sure. But Prim lover. Now, this is a newer piece. But anything with little cubby drawers just warms my heart. It looks like candles, maybe. I don't know what it's supposed to be in. Put your spices. I don't care. I thought it was very cute. I like the whole vibe that it has going on. And then when Chris was up getting this off her in her kitchen, she was selling some of her Crocs. So I could not read the maker of this one, but I love the swooshes and that it has the lid, sign piece, beautiful. Like I said, meeting somebody that has your vibe is amazing. And then Chris picked out this crock because, you know, I just did my...
Yeah, it's a jug, so it matches the theme that you got going on in there with the other jugs.
Yep. So that was nice. And then she had already sold a couple Firkin stacks, I think she said. And so she let me pick some of the Firkin sugar buckets. Look at the mini. I don't have one that... It says Maine 55. I don't know what that means. $55 back in the day. Nowadays, I would not be $55. And then this one probably used to have a label. And see what happens is like it heats cold, wood swell, shrinks, and then it becomes imperfect, which is wonderful. And I love this white painted one, which you would think was newer, but once you look in the inside, you can tell that it's older. I might... Oops. So yes, just a nicely white painted one. Painted well. The inside is, and it's got a little, I think we could probably just glue that, fix that.
Yeah.
And just clamp it so it stays, so it doesn't catch and break off. Oop, see? Booby trap. This is such a fun piece. The green and then all the yarn, the fabric balls in it. Just a fun piece. And then I can't believe she let me buy all the little mini books. I'm like, are you sure you want me to take them all? She says she had more. So, and I'm hoping that
those books are just little short stories, right?
Yep, just little short stories. Yep, if you have not seen the little mini books.
Was it a dream?
I don't remember the age of them, though, when they came out. But they're very cool, and that's a lot of them. And then she is a redware collector. And at the Carney auction, I just learned about redware. And then have now grown a passion for redware, and hopefully I will someday get to pick some more redware. But those were my 2 today. And then this, when we got the sheep, I got this also. This love battery. She's a battery operated candle girl like me, and then a couple little crows, ravens, however you want to look at that. Mashers, butter scoops. probably the sheep I absolutely love, but when she let me buy this.
Yeah, so the bread is actually embossed or actually carved into the cutting board, but the knife actually has it too.
And you all know I collect these, and I do not have a knife. And if I was going to hug a stranger, that would have been the day. I didn't want to freak her out. And then just a beautiful old piece of wood was what I was going for. And then she's like, "Hey, I have this," and
She goes, "Oh, you didn't see the knife in there?"
I did not see the knife in there. I did not want to be like that kind of weird stalker person. like
oh, you lost that as soon as she opened the door.
I maybe,
yeah.
But y'all, maybe never happen again. Probably once in a lifetime Facebook Marketplace pick, and I have to thank Joe and Kayla for their generosity, their hospitality of opening their home and letting us pick some of their wonderful goodies
and play with their puppies
and play with their puppies and their kitties. Very cute. I love animals, so yeah, definitely our tribe. So thanks for watching. We will see you next time, and you can. I don't know. I probably won't be able to do this again, but it was fun when it happened. Bye. So I have a couple packages of friend mail that I'd like to open up on camera. Thank you so much to the viewers who sent me some happy mail. That I totally appreciate it. Not ever expected, just very much appreciated. That it warms my heart when I go to the post office and like, hey, you have boxes. So let's open them up and see what they gave me. One is from Katie. Oh, I can't wait to see. She said she found some of the vintage finds that she knows I like. Look at the little cookie cutter. Oh my gosh. She's right on up. Oh, and it's the Christmas number. It is a 25 cents, but it is a old general store tag with the Christmas 25 and in red. Oh my gosh, Katie. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what's in the little, it's like a little treasure bag. Oh, look at these cute little ladies. Were they paper clips, clothespins? Wow, those are awesome. Oh, Burgermaster. I thought it said Budweiser. It's an early morning here. So yes, Chris does collect bottle openers. Oh, it's a little, oh, it's an elephant ear creamer. This one, oh my gosh. These are worth money, Katie. Oh, going in my collection. I will not resell this. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Thank you. Oh, little angel candle with the L. Noel. It is a Bible. Oh, the New Testament. Oh, look at the age of that baby. Those are my favorites. Ones that have been worn and tell a story. Is there a date in here, Katie? 26, 22, 86. 1881. 18. Oh, that is precious. Look at that little lady. Oh my gosh. She is cutie. Little porcelain. I love that she's holding the black and white kitty. I'm thinking that's it, but that is plenty. Oh my gosh, that is more than generous, Katie. Thank you. Oh, you knew it was our birthdays. This is Chris's. Hold on, I'll have to go get him. Oh, Jenny, yes, you mentioned that you remembered our birthdays. Okay, I have to go grab Chris. Yeah, I got Chris so he could read his card too, Jenny.
All right. We're not getting older, we're getting better. Now all we have to do is figure it out where we're getting better at.
She's
Happy
the
birthday.
Same day as you.
Oh,
That's why you
July
remember.
29th.
That's why you remember.
I actually know 3 other people. My cousin, her daughter is born on the 29th, and then a good friend of ours is too.
Yeah, Julie is.
So,
and
thank you.
My cousin Diane is. Yep. No, lots of people. Okay. I wanted him to be here because I didn't know which pieces were pieces.
Uh-oh.
I see Santa's behind. I see Santa.
I saw Yvonne's face, and it was a big, oh.
Look at it's a behind the Santa. I know him. Oh my gosh. Look at that little critter. Oh, he had a boo-boo on his head, but I don't care. I love him just the same. Oh my gosh. He is so sweet. Worries. I found a little piece. I didn't know if he came broken or unfortunately he broke in shipping, but we can glue him back together and fix him.
Yvonne will be doing surgery
I'll
today.
be doing some little plastic surgery on Santa. Don't you worry. So we'll set him off to the side.
1974.
Is it a Bible?
Yes.
Oh, Katie just gave me a Bible too. Thank you, you guys. And then Chris.
Oh, I think it's a Tonka.
Oh, money collectors.
Now maybe I'll know what I have.
I love that.
Thank you. And an old dumper. I'm going to have to hide this from Yvonne. She always likes that green color for some reason.
Yeah, and I like to put trees in it. But I can put trees in it for Christmas and our own decor. Oh, look at that.
And bending knee would fit right there in the front,
Oh my gosh,
too.
it would be so fun. Bendy knee, some Christmas trees. That is a cool piece.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for the viewer's gift. Remember, it's never expected. It's just appreciated and warms our heart that you think of us to send us gifts. We just love bringing you content. We hope you enjoy our content. And we hope we give you a little bit of an excitement during the day.
We hope she had a happy birthday.
Oh, yes. I hope you had a happy birthday. Yes.
Yes.
I went to an auction on my birthday. And at the time we're filming this, I don't know what we'll be doing for Chris's birthday.
I'll be going to work.
Oh, yeah. That's, well, yeah.
But
that's the adult life of birthdays, getting to go to work.